Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Smay. If you guys are returning, thank you for the continued support, guys. If you guys are new here, I run a very small YouTube channel, and so far my channel focuses on personal finance, building wealth starting at a young age. And also, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button if you guys enjoy my content, and stay updated, and you'll be updated for future videos. So don't worry, I got you guys. Today we have a really overdue video, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I've accomplished recently. It's a huge milestone for me, and for you guys have probably watched my other video. I'll leave it up here. If you guys haven't watched, go watch it. We're gonna dive into how I made about $1,500 in the stock market the past month or so. If you guys haven't watched the video up here, this video, I talk about how I lost about $1,500 in the stock market, and today is the day that I finally get back into the positives. Actually, it's this week. This week was the week that I finally was able to move from all-time negative to all-time positive. If you guys have watched this video, you guys already know that I lost a lot of money when I started trading stocks. I was a dummy. I didn't know what I was doing, and for the most part I was just throwing money in the stock market. And since then I've learned a lot. I've read a few books, I've watched a few videos, paid for a few courses, you know, the usual. I'm a really competitive person. If it's self-competitiveness or team or sport, whatever it is, if I lose, you better bet we running it back. Like, if you guys play ball, you guys know we running it back. Same thing with stocks. I lost so much money. At least at the time when I lost it, I thought it was a lot of money. It was a lot of money. I mean, it's kind of still a lot of money. It's about $1,500. Yeah. But anyways, guys, this week was the week that I finally was able to get into the positives, meaning I've made $1,500 back. Without further ado, let's get into the video. It's on the packaging, so we're gonna need it. Hello? Oh, you say you there? Here I have my phone. We're gonna open up Webull. Let me screen record it for you guys. Alright, let's go to individual. So as you can see, I have about $1,326. So I start my week off with $1,000. I started this week off all-time negatives. Let's go to performance so you guys know what I'm talking about. So all-time, I'm up $244 all-time, and if you guys can see, when I started on the left, I made a few bucks, and then I lost all that red. It's just L's. I was down, obviously, as you can see, over $1,500, and in the past 3 months I've slowly made my way back up. I took my time. I wasn't rushing anything. In the past 3 months I've made over $1,700. I never really thought about it like that because it was so slow for me. Like, the progress was so slow for me that I didn't even notice like how much I was making accumulated. A lot of my friends make thousands of dollars a day. That doesn't surprise me. Don't take this as bragging, guys. This is just me being really hyped for myself and trying to explain to you guys that even if you guys lose a lot of money in the stock market, you guys can recover. I'm just trying to tell you guys how much I lost and how much I've made back. Honestly, there's nothing to brag about. I'm just recovering what I lost, so it was my responsibility. And hopefully, if you guys out there, if you guys are down like I was, just know that if you guys take your time to learn before you earn, the earning will come slowly, but you can't earn if you don't learn. So learn your mistakes, learn what happened that made you lose that much money, and then you can come right back and make all that money back and then more. This week I've been really fortunate. So today is Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday I've been fortunate enough to make about $100 each day. That's around $300 in total. I can't say that I know what I'm doing 100%. Like, a lot of things I'm still learning. I have to still, like, a lot of terms I still learn myself. Like, don't get me wrong, it's not like I know everything, but what I do know is that what I don't know, I can learn. Like, if I don't know something, I'm definitely gonna learn it. There's Google, just look it up. Quick review, if you guys didn't watch my other videos. When I started trading stocks, I just turned 18. I had a lot of money, so I threw into a company. The company dropped. It was actually due to the fact that the weather wasn't going the right way. It was natural gas, U-gas to be exact. And I know, before you guys come at me and talk about how much they made off of U-gas and D-gas and all that, I'm good for you guys, but I was not fortunate enough to realize that you cannot hold stocks like that. You have to trade it. That is a time period where I learned what trading was and then what investing was. Now I can officially say that I'm a trader. I also do invest. We can get into my investing portfolio long-term another video. If you guys are interested in that, definitely comment below, smash the like button, and I'll definitely make it for you guys if you guys are interested. To trading, nowadays I trade options. I'm an options trader. Yes, if you guys are also option traders, let me know. So maybe we can help each other out, learn something from each other. I have a goal of $50 a day. Recently, obviously it's been $100 a day. I've been very fortunate, but I still believe that if it's 50 and I can see that it has little room to grow, then I'm taking it. $50 is a good amount for me so far, considering the positions I get into now. I do realize that there's more potential, and I'm able to analyze my risk to reward better now. Before, I didn't know if this was risky or not. Now the trades I get into, I'm better equipped to knowing kind of like if this is a high risk, high reward, or a low risk, low reward, so forth and so on. It's much more intricate than that, but that's the gist I'm trying to explain to you guys. Now you guys might be wondering, how did I make $1,500 back? Like I said, I trade options, and if you guys are interested in what I traded with options, I'm happy to show you guys. Let's get into my phone. Let's get into all time. Let's see. Okay, so my biggest stock that I've been successful trading is Disney. Disney has showed me a lot of love. I've earned about $1,400 just trading Disney alone, and that was from a lot of puts I've bought over the months. Obviously the volatility in the stock market is really high right now, but I played Disney a lot because the premium for the contracts were in my budget, and I could buy a few contracts if I wanted to, and most of the time I would make $50 a day with only like one contract, and sometimes I would get lucky with like 2-3 contracts and I would profit about like $100. Besides that, let's get into the other stocks that I've profited off of. I've profited off of Boeing, BA. Recently it actually spiked up a lot. I caught a few spikes up, and I didn't make as much as a lot of people did because the premiums are pretty high. And recently what pushed me over from negative to positive was UAL, United Airlines Holdings. So a friend of mine trades this religiously. This guy has made thousands of dollars from this company. So I was trying to see what the hype was one time, you know? So I was like, let me see what's up. And the day I saw, like, I looked into it, analytics wise, it looked really good for a call option. And so it was oversold. So I bought a call, and slowly it went up and went up. And that was Monday. So I made $100 that day. And Tuesday, I was a little more patient with UAL. So then I waited for it to smack down. So it sold off, and then I bought a call once I saw a consolidation. So then I bought it at the kind of like a little up, and then I bought in, made 100 that day. And today was a little trickier. Today it was kind of funny, it was goofy. I was down like $300, actually $400. I was down like $400 at one point this morning, and something in my head was just like, I had planned when I went into this, so then let me stick to it and see what happens. Like, and I came out with $127 today, this morning. That's my trade so far this week. I hope you guys are trading pretty well. Let me know how you guys are doing. If you guys are interested in joining a Discord chat ran by my friends, let me know, and I'll invite you guys. No, it's free, at least for now. We don't charge anything. It's free information. Everyone's just trying to learn from everyone. And don't get me wrong, in options, I've also lost money. I've lost for like $400 in one trade. It was a bad week for me. I gotta say, when you lose $400 in like one trade, it's pretty bad. Like, the tolerance that you build up when you lose money, it's very important, because I've realized when you trade with less emotions attached to your money, it actually turns out like pretty well for you. When you're attached to your money, like you're scared or you're greedy, it turns out pretty bad. So I always keep that in mind. I don't know if it's the same for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys found some valuable content in my mistakes and my comeback, I guess you can say. Let me know if you guys had a comeback, or if you guys made a big mistake and you guys are waiting for your comeback. I'm happy to help in any way I can. If you guys want more videos like this, if you guys want more updates on my trades, let me know, and I'll catch you guys next time. Deuce out. Peace out.